Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a more neutral Valentine's Day look just in case my last one was a little too pink or too bright for y'all. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So I went ahead and did a full face of makeup except for eyeshadow, and if you want to see how I do my face routine, I will link my last tutorial down below in the description bar where I go into full detail. I did the same thing. The only thing I did different today was I used a different blush, and I used the Shape Tape Glow Wand mixed in with my foundation as well as my highlighter. But let's go ahead and get started on the eyeshadow. I'm starting off with this color right here, placing it right above my crease and blending up just a little bit. And I always like to build the color until it's as dark as I want, and then I will take a clean fluffy brush just to make sure everything is nice and blended. I'm going to use this color next for my crease, and then I'm just going to build it once again and then take a clean fluffy brush and make sure there are no harsh edges. Next, I'm going to be using two different shades for my lid. I'm starting off with the one on the left just as a base, and then I'm going to take the one on the right and just place on top because it's a little bit more glittery. I still wanted it to be fun even though this is a more neutral look. Now I'm just going in with the same shade I used in my crease, placing it all along my lower lash line. Now I'm going in with my all-time favorite mascara, which is Man Eater by Tarte. Sorry if y'all get tired of seeing this, but it truly is my favorite. I think this is my 9th or 10th tube of it. And to finish up the look, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. So that completes this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. Even if you don't celebrate Valentine's Day or you don't have any Valentine's Day plans, this would be a great girls' night out look or just a normal date night look. But if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss my upcoming videos. I post a new one every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.